gitna ka.
Reveals our deep need for God, exposes the insufficiency of worldly solutions,
Tanan.
and
Ayun,
prepares
wait.
our hearts to receive His saving grace.
Ganito. Lang.
Secondly, what to consider is the requirement of waiting. In verse 25,
Ayan.
Simeon was described as a man waiting for the
Talan.
consummation of his work.
Go.
Now the word waiting here conveys an active, eager anticipation and not a
Here
passive
naman.
resignation. Simeon's waiting was not idle. It was filled with faith. It was filled with prayer. It was filled with readiness to recognize the word of God. In fact, I believe he was so excited, even if he's been waiting for years and years already.
Go.
Simeon's waiting
Saan?
was not waiting. And it is rooted in God's faithfulness and serving God. But also,
Ay. Ma.
Gulat ako.